Hi everyone, it's Dave here down at the allotments. I've just popped down today to check things over because weather isn't fantastic. It's not raining yet, but it's cloudy. Just to give you an idea of what's happening down here. So first of all, I'm going to have me dinner. So there's me dinner, and then I'll give you a quick tour. You know, it's autumn now, so everything's sort of stopped growing except my sprouts. They're doing okay. So got the kettle on, having me dinner. So I'll catch you soon. Hi again. Just sitting having a cup of tea coffee. Just chat with you before I look around. I hope everybody's allotments are doing fine. I know some people will be getting winter stuff in. We're not. We'll probably start again for the spring this year. Maybe look at next year because I'd like to get another polytunnel over there. So we're sort of slowing down for the winter months. Eventually we'd like to replace this shed, but everything's down to money, isn't it? We're all going to make some other changes to the allotment. When I give you the tour, I'll sort of explain. So I hope everybody had a good Halloween and a quiet bonfire night. I was up Halloween, but I was working bonfire night. So as a care worker, the lad I was looking after doesn't like fireworks, so. As I say, I'm off I'll start my holidays next Monday, so I'm off a week. Hopefully I can get the lads, yeah, because they work as well, so it's catching them at the same time. We're now off try and get down here with Dano because I want to try and get this fencing down done. And one of these beds moved into the place how we're going to do it. So hopefully we'll get some work done next week, as long as the weather stays off. Trouble is we're having that much rain, it's making it very hard to get out and do some work. Hopefully this will not be the last video before Christmas. Hopefully we'll get one out soon. Yeah, I've said that word, Christmas. All depends on the weather. I'll have to bring some oil down and all because the gate lock wants oiling. So you know, sun's out here. It's a nice afternoon, warm. So it's a sun trap here. Yeah, I might have a big coat on, but that sun's still got some heat in it. Enjoying my cup of coffee and the plans for next year. Get this big bed down. We're going to use that as a strawberry bed. Move these 4 beds from over here to over there to here, and use them for salads and stuff. Grow some more chilies. Done well with the chilies. Not so well with the tomatoes. Yeah, we've got a few, but not as many as I thought, considering I had 6 plants. But I don't know whether that greenhouse there is getting the heat out. It needs a new cover, so I'll have to look at that. But when we get, there's 4 beds over there and a big water bud next to the other greenhouse. When we get that cleared, we're thinking to get a bigger polytunnel to go there. A bit like next door's, they've got a nice long one, and I've been watching to see how the wind's affecting it. And we've had these gales, and theirs is not tied down that great, but it hasn't blown away. So, you know, we're a pretty protected area, so that's given me the idea to do that one there. And I've got to say something about, it's a shame Wilkinson's have closed down, because I used to get majority of my stuff from there. The little greenhouse over there, bought that from Wilkinson's 2 years ago, 45 quid, only expected to last a year, and it's still going strong. Not even a hole in it, so, been well worth its money. So, and it's only plastic framework as well, and it is, but it's well fixed down. I think that's the thing. You get it well fixed down, you make sure that there's no wind can get under that plastic, and I don't think you're going to have a problem. Right, that's the thing on how to do it. So, but I would like to get a bigger polytunnel, and I think that's all right area because it gets a good bit of sun. Use this one as a grown one. What happens is the person I got it off, they've cut a window out at the back, and tapes keep coming off. So I think it's a lot to let a cold air in. So they say you can get some polytunnel tape. So I think I'll look at getting that. If not, I'll probably just have to see about getting a new cover for it. Eventually, we'd like to pull this shed down because it's damp. Everything in it's getting damp. So we're going to look at one of them plastic sheds, see what they're like. I don't know people's opinions on them. If you have got an opinion on them, let us know in the comments what you think of the plastic sheds. Are they worth it? Or I know my uncle uses one, and he thinks it's he thinks it's a brilliant little thing, but so if you let us know in the comments what your opinions on these plastic sheds. We're looking at something like a 10x6, which will fit there. So and it's just really just for storing tools in and lighting my kettle in. So hopefully we'll get that done next year. As I say, a lot of it depends on how we do with money. Still got a lot of work. We seem to be finding work all the time, but we seem to be changing our plans all the time. So I think that's what makes a lot of the work thing. But I was happy with the crop this year, what we got. We'll get things sorted, and if I can get the crop what I got this last year, this year, that next year, I'll be happy. Oh, we're all waiting for a pond, so I hope to put that over that area. We're gonna pull this big compost bin down. We've got one of them Dalek type ones. We're going to use that and probably get another one, and we'll probably put the pond in that area. So we're just waiting for it to get delivered. It was supposed to be coming this Sunday, but the last didn't have time. We're getting it from somebody from Scotswood Community Garden, where my son does voluntary work and my wife does voluntary work, which is great because they're excellent for going to get some advice off. And plus, one of the workers that works there, and thank you very much to her, provides me with seeds. So I'm not having to go out and buy loads of seeds. Right, well, I've rattled on for a bit, which is unusual for me. So I'll finish my cup of coffee and I'll give you a tour. So catch you soon. Hi Dave back. Okay, this area is all covered. Okay, I know there's some little weeds coming in from the side, but eventually, come the spring, we're going to get this all turned over, and I think we're going to put tatties in here. So that's what we're going to do there. This is our sitting area. Move out. Well, I'm outside if the sun hits you. This is the area we're going to be working in the most. We're going to lift this since it's been destroyed with fire. Well, I'm going to move this over to here. That's going to go down there. That'll get stripped and moved somewhere. That's going to get moved down to there. So that leaves us so we can keep the fence clear, because we'll get a lot of bindweed on up the fencing, so it'll keep that clear for that. These 4 are going to go here. So all the soil's got to be taken out and moved. Water barrel is going to get moved and put next to that water barrel. So it'll feed off that. Up there's my rhubarb and an apple tree. This will probably cover, this is the area we're thinking of, once I move this compost bins, this area I'm going to clear. We're hopefully going to put the pond in. You know, probably a little bit further back. There's my sprouts. Don't know if you can see them. We're starting to get little sprouts on there. So that's the only thing I've got growing at the minute, other than weeds. Yeah, sort of round this area to where this is. Probably put the pond. We're going to them over there. We're going to bring down here, so we've got a fence off, which is sort of they're not running in line with that one, but it might, because I might put one of them there and run it in line. Yeah. This area, what I'd like to do, if we can get it cleared, and there's a lot of topsoil, so we'll probably get the topsoil over the top, spread about and cleared. Maybe just put some fruit trees in here. You know, I put apple trees, pear trees, so that'll be in there. We'll chop that tree back a bit. Whether that'll happen next year, I don't know. But that's why we've got it covered. As we're moving the tarpaulin about, I'll probably put more tarpaulin over there. But that'll be an ongoing project. As you see, we've done down here. This is a sort of compost bins. that incinerator's knackered now, so the bottom fell out of it, but it's been a few years old and it's done well. It's had a few fires, so I'm going to have to get another incinerator. Need a new wheel on that wheelbarrow, but we're going to get another Dalek type compost bin and put that there, so that'll be there. So let's get some of the black stuff, put that in, so it runs all the way up. So we've got a path all the way up with it as well, and then we'd like to bark it, but getting stuff delivered here is impossible. So it's bags, which is not cheap. So might just leave it with the black stuff, bark when we can. So and that's virtually it. So that's looking back. So see, we're going to get that. We're going to strip that down. There is some compost in there, which we'll transfer into that bin. There's a bag in the other one with leaves from last year, so we should have some good leaf mould. So a lot of leaves falling off the trees here, so I should start maybe a little bit sweeping them up and bagging them up, make more leaf mould. Just keep on top of everything. Yeah. Dano works, and I work, and it's just we can't hit the shifts where we're off together to come down and get a lot of work. We've had a lot of rain, so I want to see what my water's like around the back. Got a feeling I might have to hit them. So let's take a walk around here. This eventually we're going to put see that polytunnel over there? We're going to one like that here. Nice big one. And this is the one I was on about that I got from Wilkinson's. It's done a really good job. As you can see, it's really fixed down with bricks and everything. Okay, just careful doing here, it's slippy. Water butts. Oh, that's full to the top. We're going to have to come and get my bucket and empty some of that into there. So we've got plenty of water there. All this rain we've been having, we're building up on water. It's not doing too bad. It's going to be fun moving that one. We'll have to empty it out and transfer it over here. Oh, that's full enough. That's full. So it's got a little bit in, so it looks like we'll have to transfer more water out of there into that room. So we're not short of supply of water this year. So that's it. So sorry about the sunlight there. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment. As I say, I spoke to you a little bit earlier, so let us know what you think about between the plastic and wooden greenhouses. So we'll catch you again, so bye for now.